so close to getting my dream. Why? I had to wait for another week to see whether or not I passed. And I did. I passed. I was so ecstatic. I was like, oh my gosh, it is the week before my birthday. It is a great birthday present. I passed. I was on cloud 9. It was like, finally I got accepted into Hack Reactor. I can now go ahead and follow my dreams as a software developer. And I was ecstatic. I was on cloud 9. My mom is in all the way in freaking Nigeria, so I tried to contact her. Like, Mama, I got in. I told my dad. My dad was like, congratulations. And you know, I told everybody. Now comes the sad part.
Tonight.
So initially you paid the $2,000, and I had that because with my job, that's how much you can save with the job I have. And so not much money. So I had that much money. So I put my $2,000 down. Thank the Lord. I said, okay, now I have to pay a remaining $15,730. $15,730.
Yes! Big Johnny did it! Big Johnny did it!
The $250 that I paid went toward the tuition, but that's only $250. So I have to pay the remaining. And there are 2 loan services that they use, which is SkillsFund and Climb. And both of them denied me. I already knew they would because I have sickle cell, my medical debt, my student loan deferment plan. Everything is just not what it's not popping. And it's kind of embarrassing to say, but at the end of the day, I'm just expressing my life. I'm not some rich old YouTuber I want to be, but you know, this is real life for me. So I used my mom, my dad. Nothing, like, we couldn't get through the credit. So I was devastated. I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna pay? How am I gonna pay it? I had emailed them saying I got denied, and so they emailed one of the ladies that emailed me about the HRXT program. She said, oh, don't worry about it. I introduced you to this financial advisor, and you will be good to go. We have other payment plans that you can do. So I'm thinking, okay, good, cool. I'll just have to pay monthly for my tuition. I don't have to do any more applications. I don't have to do any more loan applications. But the guy apparently was not thinking the same thing as this girl. That he messaged me. He said, no. We only accept from loans from Climb and SkillsFund. We don't have any other options for you. Can I just give you that opportunity? I'm just kidding. He was like, no. We only have 2 options. Either that, or you get another loan, or you get a loan somewhere else. And I was like, where the hell am I gonna get a loan? Like, the payment is due on Monday and it's Friday. Where in the world am I gonna get a loan? So I'm freaking out. I'm like, oh my god, like I'm like, oh my god, I'm trying different loans. I'm trying to see if the credit will work. Nothing. Everything is denying me. I said, what in the world? I tried my parents. No, nothing. So I was freaking out. I was upset. I was devastated. I was like, there's no way. I just got accepted and now this is happening. Like, this is ridiculous. So I called my dad, and my dad was like, just use credit and she will see if it will work. And I used her credit, and she was approved for a $10,000 loan. But that was just $10,000. Where the hell am I gonna get the rest of the $5,000? I had asked my cousin, I had asked my parents. I don't know anybody else that's gonna loan me $5,000. You know, $5,000. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of attraction, I know all these things, but like, I was just like, this is ridiculous. Like, there's no way. So I tried the best. I mean, to make the story short, even though it's a long story, I couldn't pay the $15,730 thing. So sadly enough, I was like, look, I had to tell them, because they were willing to work with me with like a payment plan where I would pay 1,000 something a month, but that was still too much. And I was just like, this is ridiculous. Like, not only do I have a 10,000 loan, on top of that I have to pay another $1,000 a month, you know, and the program is like what, 3 months, but still, like, I have to wait another 3 months to get a job. It's just like, for me, it wasn't adding up. It was like me thinking if it was worth it or not was not adding up. It was just like, this is just ridiculous. So I just emailed them and said, look, I'm going to have to resign. Thank you for working with me, but I just realized that, oops, something broke. I just realized, oh my goodness, the camera's moving. Sorry guys, sorry I moved you guys. But I just realized, look, I can't do this. I can't do this. So they said, okay, we will give you only $1,750, which is a bunch of bull, because I did it the week of that. I had to refund, that they were only going to give me that portion instead of the full 2,000. They were only giving me 1,750. Which is ridiculous to me. So that means I'm left up to I lose $250. At this point, I was like, whatever. So I just decided, you know, whatever. I'll sign the agreement form, give me my money back. It says, oh, it'll take within 30 days to get your money back. I was like, oh my goodness, like, but whatever. It's a learning experience. I mean, the reason why I was so adamant about doing it is because I felt like, for once, like, things were going well, and I was like, I can't let this opportunity slip from my fingers. Like, I'm so close to getting my dream. Why? I was devastated. You don't even know. I was crying. I was upset. I was so angry. I was like, wow, this is crazy. But when I emailed that person, I said, look, I had to make I'm like a mature adult now. I have to say to myself, look, this is not a good option. It's not a good thing. You got to think about the situation. This is not good in the long run. What we're gonna have to do is just take this as an L, you know, take this as an L and move on. And in life, you don't always get everything that you want or everything that you plan, but this is not the end of it. I am still going to be applying to other boot camps. I just don't want to say anything yet, because I don't want to say something that might not happen, or actually I do believe it's going to happen, but you know, I'm kind of superstition like that. I don't really want to talk about my next steps, but just know that when things do happen, you always gotta have a plan B. And so I concocted a plan B so that I can still follow my dreams and I can still do what I want to do. And it actually feels to me like the best plan that I've thought of so far. So I'm happy about that, and I'm just working towards that now. Even though I was devastated, I've actually just moved on. I'm now focusing on what I can do now to get to from here to, you know, point B, point A, point B, and that's all I'm focusing on. So that's just an update with what's going on with my journey as a software developer. Thank you guys for watching. It was a long video. I think I probably split this into like 2 parts because it's just so long. But if you guys are software developers, or if you guys are changing your careers, tell me on the comments below what your setbacks were. We can discuss this in the comments. And this is not a bash to Hack Reactor, because I honestly still believe in the program. It's a really good program. If you can afford it, please do go to Hack Reactor, because I'm sure that it's a really good program, and it has helped a bunch of other you know, software developers. You know, 98% of the graduates get on to get a job, so why not? But like, don't be like me and wait last minute to figure things out. Have a plan, especially when it comes to financing things, because it can really damper you. If you can really change the course of action if you're not able to figure everything out. So Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling now and let you guys go. But please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.